Namaste children. This video is for class 9 subject computer chapter 6 continuation of openoffice.org writer. Children, I welcome you all for today's computer class. In this video, let me give a practical demonstration regarding how to create a document and how to format the document in Writer. Children, now let us see how to open a new Writer window. So, could you able to see this OpenOffice icon? Double click the OpenOffice icon, children. Now, as I said earlier, OpenOffice is a freely available full-featured office suite. These are the components of OpenOffice: text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, database, formula. Now, select this text document. Now, could you able to see this Writer window, children? So, what is the use of Writer? Word processor. You can create letters, newsletters, brochures, books, reports, and you can create professional document, isn't it? Now, let us see how to open a new Writer window. Go to the File menu and select New Text Document. And even you can also select New from the standard toolbar. Or else even you can also press Ctrl+N on keyboard in order to open a new Writer window. Children, now let us see how to save the file. Normally in other applications, how you will save the file, same steps should be followed here. Select the File menu and choose Save As. You can also press Ctrl+S as a shortcut key on keyboard, or else you can also press Ctrl+Shift+S on keyboard. Now, Save As dialog box opens. Now save your file in the desired location. I am going to create a Word document related to water. So I am just giving the file name as water. And here could you able to see this extension .odt. So .odt is the file extension for text document, children. So just I am pressing on save button. Now the file is saved and see the title bar. It is showing water.odt. So .odt is the file extension for the text document file. Here I have created the document about water. If you see this content, here I did not apply any formatting features, no proper alignment, no proper line spacing. Further we will see how to format the document. Children, in order to make your document more attractive, you can format your document. So when you are formatting your document, it gives a neat and more legible outlook, isn't it, children? So with the help of formatting features, you can apply the special effects to the text. So you can give the different font face, you can give different font size to the content. Even you can also make the text bold, italize, underline. Even you can also align your content towards left, center, right. Even you can also give justify. And even you can also give the different font color to the text, as well as you can highlight the particular text. Even you can also give the different background color. And you can give the page border. So like this you can format the document. So there are several aspects of formatting, that is character formatting, text formatting, paragraph formatting, page formatting. We will see further. Children, now let us see about the character formatting. So you can decide how the individual characters in the document should appear. So you can give different font face, different font size, and you can select the text attributes such as bold, italic or underline. So you can decide how your individual characters in the document should appear. So you can format the character in different ways. First thing is you have to select the text that you want to format and go to the menu bar and select the format menu and select the character option. Now could you able to see this character dialog box? Here it shows different tabs, that is font, font effects, position, hyperlink, background. Now could you able to see the font face, children? So you can give different font face as per your wish. You can select any of the font face. And here could you able to see the typeface such as regular, italic, bold, bold italic. So you can select any of the text attribute and you can select any of the font size. And finally you can give OK. So this is one method. And another method, as you all know, that you can go to the formatting toolbar and you can select the font face and you can select the required font size. Also you can make it as bold, italic or underline. So what is the shortcut key for bold, children? Ctrl plus B is the shortcut key for bold. And what is the shortcut key for italic? Ctrl plus I. And what is the shortcut key for underline? Ctrl plus U. So like this you can do character formatting. Children, could you able to see this chemical compounds? So for water, what is the chemical compound? H2O. For carbon dioxide, CO2. So normally when you are writing the chemical compounds, how you will write, children? You will write this below the baseline, isn't it? You will write this to below the baseline. So in order to do that, what you have to do? You have to select the subscript option. So if you select the subscript option, then the selected text or number will be displayed below the baseline. So what is subscript, children? Subscript is used to reduce the font size of the selected text and lower it below the baseline. So in order to do this, what you have to do is select the text or number and go to format menu and select character option. And here could you able to see this different tabs, font, font effects, and what you have to select now? Position. We have to select the position. And here could you able to see the superscript, normal, subscript. Now what is required for us? Subscript. So if you select the subscript option, then the selected number or the text will be displayed below the baseline. Now give OK. Now could you able to see those changes, children? So this number 2 is displaying below the baseline. Now for carbon dioxide, CO2 also. Do the same thing, children. Select the number and go to format menu. Select character option. And here under the position tab, could able to see this subscript. Enable the subscript option and give OK. So what is subscript, children? Subscript reduces the font size of the selected text and it lower it below the baseline. So the selected text or number will be displayed below the baseline. Now could you able to see this mathematical formula? How you will write the mathematical formula? Say for example, a plus bd whole square, a plus bd whole cube. You will write this number above the baseline, isn't it? So for that you have to enable the superscript option. So what is the use of superscript option, children? It will display the number or the text above the baseline. Okay, so for that what you have to do is you have to select the number or the text and go to format menu and select character. Under the position tab you have to select superscript. So what is superscript, children? Superscript is used to reduce the font size of the selected text and it raises it above the baseline. So your selected text or number will be displayed above the baseline. Now give OK. Now could you able to see these changes? The same thing you have to do for a plus bd whole cube. Select this number, go to format menu and select character. Under the position tab, select superscript and give OK. So what is the difference between subscript and superscript, children? Subscript will display the text or number below the baseline. So the selected text or the number will be displayed below the baseline. Superscript, the selected text or the number will be displayed above the baseline. Superscript means the selected text or the number will be displayed above the baseline. I hope you all have understood about the subscript and superscript, children. Children, now let us see how to rotate the text. Now, in order to rotate this text, what you have to do is select the text that you want to rotate and go to Format menu, select Character option. So here, could able to see different tabs. Here, select the Position tab. Under the Position tab, could able to see this rotation or scaling. By default, it is under 0 degrees. Now, could able to see this 90 degree, children? If you enable this 90 degree, then the selected text will be rotated towards the left by 90 degree. Whereas, if you select 270 degree, then the selected text will be rotated towards the right by 90 degree. I am just enabling this 90 degree option. I am just giving OK. Now, could able to see this change, children? Now, I would like to rotate the text towards right by 90 degree. Now go to Format menu, select Character option. Under the Position tab, enable this 270 degree. If you enable 270 degree, then it will rotate the selected text to the right by 90 degree and give OK. Now could able to see this change, children? So like this you can rotate the selected text. Now let us see about changing case in writer. Say for example, you have created a document in that all the sentence you have typed in small letter, but now you want to change it into capital letter. So in such cases, change case option will help you, children. So select the sentence or text or word that you want to change and go to the Format menu and select change case option. Children, there are 4 main types of case conversions, that is lowercase, uppercase, capitalize every word, toggle case. Already the sentence what I have selected, it is in lowercase. Now I would like to change the sentence into uppercase. So select the uppercase. Now could able to see this change, children? So all is well. This particular sentence has been changed into capital letter. Now I would like to change this sentence into small letter. Go to Format menu, select change case option and choose lowercase. Now could you able to see this change, children? It has been changed into small letters. Now I would like to give in capitalize every word. Means capitalize every word means the first letter will be in capital. So when you select this capitalize first letter of each word, the first letter will be in capital. Now could you able to see this change, children? Only A is in capital and here only I is in capital, W is in capital. So this is the use of capitalize first letter of each word. Now select the sentence, go to Format menu and choose change case. And what is this toggle case, children? Here itself you can see this. The first letter is in small letter and the rest of the letter that is in capital. Again here the first letter it is in small letter and the rest of the letters that is in capital letter. Select this, children. Now could you able to see this change? Here first letter A is in small and the rest of the letters are in capital. Again here first letter is in small and the rest of the thing it is in capital. And here W is in small and the rest of the letters are in capital. So this is toggle case. So like this you can change the case in writer with the help of change case option. Children, here is an activity for you. First one, change the case of the following sentence. All is well as given below. With the help of change case option, you can do it, children. As I have explained earlier, there are 4 types of case conversions, that is uppercase or capital we used to say, lowercase, capitalize first letter of each word, toggle case. So do accordingly, children. And here is your second activity. In writer, format the school name DAV Public School in Times New Roman, bold, italic, underline, and the font size should be in 40. So do accordingly, children. Here is your third activity. Format the following text with subscript, superscript option. Children, you have to decide for which one you have to enable subscript option, for which one you have to enable superscript option, and do accordingly, children. Here is your activity number 4. Rotate the following text to the left by 90 degrees. So, you have to rotate this word plants towards left by 90 degree. Do accordingly, children. Children, complete the given 4 activities and take a pic and send to my personal WhatsApp number. In the next class, I will continue with the paragraph formatting. Meet you in the next class, children. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.